Welcome back to my channel. This is Ashley Blake and I'm going to show you how I transformed this dresser into a white and gold statement piece. So right now I'm removing the hardware and cleaning it with a damp rag to make sure that there's no dust or anything that's going to bleed through the paint. So the paint that I'm using is a white Oops paint from Lowe's. That means that I don't have the name for it, unfortunately, and I am applying a good solid 2 to 3 coats because I want this to be bright and white, and even though we're going to distress it later, I want it to be good solid coverage. So this is what it looks like after I'm done painting it, and I want some big, chunky, distressing, so I am going to use my belt sander and just hit it in a couple of spots, and then I will go back later with my sanding block and make sure everything is smooth and evened out. After I'm done sanding, I'm going to wipe off the extra dust, and I am going to use my sponge and kind of dab the adhesive for the gold leaf wherever I think I want some gold leafing. And I'm using the Mona Lisa kit. I got it off of Amazon, and so far I really like it. After I'm done doing the glue, I let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then kind of with my finger I'll just go and place the gold leaf where I want it. And I'll show you a close-up of how I do it in a second. I'm just applying the glue on the side right there because I want a bigger piece.
So basically all I'm doing to apply the gold leaf is I'm using the adhesive that they gave me, and I'm applying it with a sponge, and I'm just kind of dabbing the area that I want it. And then I let it sit for about 5 minutes. And then what I do is I take my sheet like this, and this hand has a lot of glue on it, so it might be sticking a lot. And then I just kind of place it and kind of dab it with my fingers. It's a little bit sticking right now because I just touched the sponge with the glue on it. So I just do that. And I wanted to connect this piece. So it's gonna look a little bit icky right now. Just apply it where I want it. And I'm doing quite a big section. This is the biggest one I've done so far. So I'm using a lot of the sheets and just kind of take the excess. Oh my gosh, it's really sticking to my fingers. Okay. Then I'll take my brush and I'll just kind of buff it to buff away any of the excess little pieces and push it in to make it smooth, and then I'll add some more. I'm being a little bit messy with it because I definitely don't want you to be able to see like the outline of the sheets. That would not be good. So making sure that all of my glue that I applied is, oh, there's just some right there. All of my glue that I applied is covered with gold.
In the Mona Lisa kit, they give you a sealer. I didn't record putting it on because I was in a rush, but it works really great and it prevents the gold from oxidizing, and then I waxed the top. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. Please like and subscribe, it would mean a lot to me, and yeah, thank you so much. Bye.